Okay, so tuone namna kudownload Android Studio kwenye Microsoft Windows 10. Okay, so utakuja Google utaandika download Android Studio. Download Android Studio kisha utakuja click link ya kwanza, okay? Okay, so utakuja katika page hii hapa uta click download Android Studio, okay? Okay, so now hapa utakuja ku just scroll down and check license agreement, okay? Then click download Android Studio. Okay, so download imesha start. Sasa download Android Studio imesha kuwa started. Okay, so after downloading ndio ku click executable file. So double click. Okay, so now kwenye dialog box itakatokea kama hivi, just click next. Okay, so Android virtual device and check Android virtual device. So you can install virtual smartphone. Then click next. Okay, then click next. Okay, then click install. Then click next. Okay, so now click finish and start Android Studio. Okay, so kwenye dialog box namna hii, so not import settings, click okay. So don't send and then click next, then choose standard, okay, and then click next, okay, then click light, okay, theme. So na select user interface theme to light, okay, then click next. Okay, so click next to install Android Emulator, Android SDK build tools, and Android SDK platforms. Okay, so click next and install is packages zote. So click next to install all packages. So click next. Okay, so click Intel Android extra license. Okay, then click accept. Okay. Okay, then click finish. So now please wait a moment, screen inafanya installation ya hizo package. So now click finish. Okay, so now after installation, now unaweza click kwenye desktop start button and then find for Android Studio icon. So click in desktop start button, then just write Android Studio, okay? After then click okay. So itafungua dialog box kama hii, okay? So after then choose a new project. Okay, then choose what empty activity. Okay, so just choose empty activity and click next. Okay, so application name, for example, my application package name, so on a left default, and save location on a left default. So language, choose Java. Okay, and minimum SDK, just choose API 16 version. Okay, after then click finish. Okay, now so please wait Android pindi ina just ku download platform. Okay, now so after then click finish. Okay, so now allow access to enable internet access kuweza kuinteract na hii Android Studio. So click check on private networks, okay, and then check to public networks, then click allow access. Okay, now so Android Studio IDE shakwa opened. So another step is to install. Okay, so kwenye menu items click tools and then choose SDK manager. Okay, then select Android SDK and check until Android version 27. Okay, so just check 27. Okay, by then click on SDK tools tab. Okay, then click show package details. Okay, then check these versions. Okay, until version 28, until 28. Okay, until hub. Okay, okay, so now after then just choose it. Okay, so after then click apply. By then click OK. Okay, then accept and use a license agreement. Okay, then click next thing. So wait a moment, pindi nafanya installations ya hizo package. So now click finish, then click OK. Okay, so now install virtual Android emulator, yani virtual smartphone. Okay, so click Android AVD, okay, device manager, then click create virtual device. Okay, so hapa nachagua type for example, so choose Nexus, imeona hii hapa. Okay, so Nexus image, by then na click next. Okay, so now choose system image, now choose current, for example this one. Okay, so click and then download will start. Okay, then click cancel. So in a refreshing, okay, then click just next. Okay, so now unaona kama na hii AVD name, so name is next. So unaweza name for example Samsung, okay, or Nokia, any name. For example Samsung or Nokia, okay, or Nokia for example, okay, any name. So for example Nokia. Okay, then choose startup orientation. Okay, so default choose portrait. Okay, after then click just finish. Okay, so unaweza kusubiria kipindi Gradle ina just kuimport some library hapa, so unataka usubirie kwa kipindi fulani, kipindi Gradle ina just import. So na kuna baadhi ya settings, so utakuja katika file kwa ajili ya ku set font style na font size. Okay, so unakuja katika file, then choose settings. Okay, and then select what editor. Okay, then choose font. Okay, and then you get kuchagua font size and font family. Okay, so font by default JetBrains mono. Okay, so just choose drop down arrow, then unaweza select font family hapa. Unaweza kuchagua font family, for example Consolas, you can choose. Okay, by then just come to of course kwenye color scheme, of course, na unaweza kuchagua color scheme, for example now is classic right, unaweza kuchagua IntelliJ right. Okay, so now come to font and font size to 24. Okay, so na remove font size kwa 24. Okay, so ukiona then click apply. Okay, okay, now you can see, so kifuata ni just run program yetu. Okay, so kuja kuselect virtual emulator. So virtual emulator yetu ni Nokia ya select. Okay, kuja katika main activity.xml and then click spirit. Okay, and so unaweza kuchukua hii text view. Okay, text view, so na print hello world. Okay, so for example I'll print my name, hello, for example my name. Okay, and then come to choose font size. Okay, then right size, select the text size. Okay, then 24 sp. Okay, now you can see hello. Okay, so now na run program yetu. So uje kuchagua hapa inakuwa kwenye Nokia ile virtual emulator, then na click run emulator the first time. Okay, as you can see Android emulator imekuwa started. Okay, so now hapa ina load Android operating system, na so un application yetu ita print hello Samir. Okay, so please wait while in a boot, then baada muda mchache uje kuprint hello Samir. Okay, application yetu ishakuwa started na kama unavyoona. Okay, so emulator imeshafunguka. Okay, so if you want to run, also click hapa kwa ajili ya just kuinstall just application, tafunguka kama hivi. Okay, so now application yetu ni hapa. Okay, so just nikizoom. Okay, so kwa sababu hizi ni applications. Okay, so ukiingia katika back utakuja kubonyeza hapa kuja kwenye back. Okay, so click hapa na kwenye back, au click hapa na katika back. Okay, okay, so now you can install application from Play Store, or click Play Store icon. Okay, so in Google Chrome, in camera, and so on. Okay, so now you can run your application hapo, click run. So hello Samir itakuwa displayed. Okay.